our cockatiels are getting ready to nest again soon, so we're going to build them a new nest box from this cardboard box. We do them a new box each time so that they're starting with it clean and fresh. So the first thing is to think about where the door's going to be. The box has got a join here, so I won't put the door anywhere near that. So I'm going to put the door here because it's going to sit in their cage with that in the back corner. So first step, I'll just put a bit of tape in the bottom to make sure that stays strong and doesn't come undone at any point. Now for the lid, I want a single lid that I can lift up and look to see how they're doing when they've got the nest in there. So I'm going to need to join these two pieces together, but also I don't want that lid then falling down into the box, so I'm going to need a little ledge from the two sides. So the way I'm doing that is just cutting across about here on each of these. Okay, right, so that's going to be the back where the join is. This is going to be the front, so I will cut this one off, going along the fold here. Okay, these are going to be the ledges that support the roof when it's closed. And now I need to join these two pieces together to make a single roof. So I'm going to do that first with a bit of tape on them directly. Now obviously that's not sturdy enough yet because that could move. So the pieces that I've cut off from the sides, I'm going to tape on here to stiffen it up. I'm being watched from the far end of the room. The cockatiels are looking at what I'm doing here. I wouldn't be surprised if one flies over soon to have a look. Okay, so that's that done on that side. I'm going to use the other piece on the other side just to make sure that's really strong. Yep, there we go. One bird has arrived to have a look. Are you going to come down and check it out, Max? Can't get in the way while I'm making it though. Okay, so that's the roof done. So that will now close like that. There's a little bit of, been propped up a little bit there. I just need to push these down a bit more. Make sure they're not obstructing the lid closing. There we go. It'll be letting a little bit of light in, but I don't think they'll mind that. So then I want to cut a doorway here, but I want to leave a bit at the top so it remains strong. So I'm just going to, and also I'm going to leave a little ledge here because we found before sometimes they try and roll the eggs out by mistake. So. Okay, so that's their doorway. So that will give them a nice way to go in and out. They'll probably enlarge that doorway and modify it according to their own preferences. So what we put inside then is usually fold up a cloth to go into the bottom, just so that they've got something soft for the eggs to be resting on. Maybe make a little bit of a ledge at the front on that. Okay, and then we'll cover that with some kitchen towel, so that can be easily changed when that gets a bit grubby. They don't usually seem to like using much in the way of nest material, we'll usually give them some bits of paper and see what they make of it. Right, so that's it basically done. Let's see what the birds think of it. Okay, so we've introduced the birds. This will take a little time. Are you going to go and check the box out? Max is coming for a look. Maxie thinks it looks good. Is she going to go in before you do, Floyd? She's gone in. Does it meet with approval then? It's just like your old nest box. Well, I think we can declare that a success. Birds have decided this is a good nest box. Okay, so the nest box is now in their cage. What do you think, Maxie? Are you going to go and have a look at it? Oh, Floyd's coming. Is it very exciting, Floyd? Floyd's coming to join her. You're going to go and safety check it, Floyd? Okay, Floyd's gone in for a quick look. He says it's okay. You can go in as well now, Max. Good girl. That's you settled now, isn't it?